So this is going to be a quick demo on how to submit self-grades for EECS16A. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is go to the website, EECS16A.org. I'm actually going to use a previous semester's for demo purposes, but usually when homework solutions are released, in this homework column, you'll see a self-grade form as well. So we're going to click on that link, and it will redirect you to this form. I have one pre-filled here. And what you're doing with this form is you're grading yourself. So according to this rubric right here. So what you want to have is like a split screen situation where you have your solutions on one side, the official solutions, and then this form up as well. And then you're going to go through and question by question grade yourself. You can look at these answers by pausing the video, but here's an example. We reach the bottom, and then there's a short survey to fill out. I highly encourage everyone to fill out the comments about the homework every week. One, being meta about your learning experience can really improve it, and then also this feedback really helps us in future iterations of the course. Yes, so anyway, we're going to hit generate, and it will give you two options. One is to download a file, and then one is to copy and paste this into your favorite text editor and save a .text file. I usually like to just download it. It doesn't really matter, both work. And then what we do with this file that we downloaded or created is go to Gradescope. So for every assignment, there are two submissions. One is where you submit your actual work, which is here, and then the self-grade, which is what we're concerned with. I already submitted one for testing purposes, but you're going to drag your file into here and upload. So you get the success message, but note, this does not mean you're good. You have to wait until the auto grader finishes running and gives you a score, and that's when you know you're good to go. So you're just going to wait a couple seconds. Boom. Do not be scared by all this red. It's fine. Just be honest with your answers. And yeah, once you see this page, you're good to go. However, should you run into difficulty, sometimes the autograder will give you an error message, and things to do to try to fix that. One, make sure your file is a .text file. That's very important. And then second is make sure the syntax or the formatting is correct. So this is a JSON, which is JavaScript Object Notation. And what that means is for each entry, it's going to be a string, colon, space, and then another string, comma. Each entry should be like that. There's no like trailing spaces either in the line or the file. So make sure the format's correct. And then another thing you should check is that the name matches here. And then, of course, if all else fails, you can always search on Piazza for people who have a similar problem to you. And if not, you can always post a question on Piazza. That's always okay to do. All right, hopefully this helped.